Asia reels as an unrelenting monsoon season unleashes catastrophic storms. South and Southeast Asia are reeling from an extraordinarily destructive monsoon season, marked by simultaneous cyclones and unprecedented flooding. At least 1,200 people have been killed and millions displaced, with Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines bearing the brunt of the devastation. Scientists warn that extreme rainfall, landslides, and cascading impacts, not merely the number of storms, define this year's anomalous season. La Niña and unusually warm oceans have intensified storm formation, enabling cyclones to develop near the equator where such systems are typically rare. Climate change has amplified storm severity by heating oceans, weakening wind shear, and increasing atmospheric moisture capacity. Governments across the region face immense pressure, as fragile economies, inadequate infrastructure, and political turmoil hinder rapid disaster response. Public frustration is mounting, from protests over misappropriated flood relief funds in the Philippines to criticism of Vietnam's sluggish preparedness. With entire nations designated as disaster zones, experts warn that the region's monsoon volatility is becoming more acute, unpredictable, and perilous.